Hi friends, it's Manoj Shukla from English Insight, and this time I am back to you with a new lesson. This is how to use many, much and a lot of or lots of in sentences. So let's talk about. Friends, now we'll see what are the meanings of all these words many, much and a lot of. Many means a large number of. Much means a large amount of. And a lot of or lots of means a large number of and a large amount of. So now we'll see how they must be used with countable nouns or uncountable nouns or both the nouns. Okay? Friends, now we'll see how all these three words are used in sentences. Many, much and a lot of. These are called amount words or quantifiers. Many is used with plural countable nouns. We can say many pens, many books, many tables, etc. Okay? Many can be used with plural countable nouns. Many pens, many books, many tables. Much will be used with uncountable nouns. It's written here. Much is used with uncountable nouns. We can say much water, much sugar, much sand. With all these uncountable nouns, we can use much. And what about a lot of or lots of? A lot of or lots of can be used with both all these words. So, a lot of pens or a lot of water, we can say. A lot of books or a lot of sugar, we can say. A lot of tables or a lot of sands, we can say. So, we know that many can be used with plural countable nouns and much can be used with uncountable nouns, and a lot of can be used with both plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So now we'll see how many, much and a lot of or lots of are used in different sentences. So many, much and a lot of are used in declarative sentences, in imperative sentences, in interrogative sentences also. Okay? Many is used in the negative form of declarative sentence, in the negative form of imperative sentence. Many is also used in the affirmative form and negative form of interrogative sentences. Okay? But it cannot be used in the affirmative form of declarative sentence, or it cannot be used in the affirmative form of imperative sentence. So it's crossed. But where it can be used, it is ticked here. Okay? Now we'll come to much. Much is used in the negative form of declarative sentence, in the negative form of imperative sentence, and both in the affirmative form and negative form of interrogative sentence. So it's ticked. Where it's used, it's ticked. Where it is not used, it's crossed here. Now we'll come to a lot of or lots of. Where many and much are not used, that means many and much are not used in the affirmative forms of declarative and imperative sentences, and there a lot of is used. Okay, you see these are crossed and these are also crossed boxes. Okay, so a lot of is used in the affirmative form of declarative sentence, in the affirmative form of imperative sentence, but we cannot use a lot of or lots of in the affirmative form or in the negative form of interrogative sentences. Okay, this is all about the use of many, much and a lot of in declarative, in imperative and in interrogative sentences. Now we'll take some examples. Example number 1. I have many pens, I don't have many pens. I have many pens, it's incorrect here, and I don't have many pens. This one is the correct sentence here. So why? So this sentence is a declarative sentence and in affirmative form. So many is not used here. But here, this is declarative sentence, negative form. As we have seen on the table, this sentence is a declarative sentence, negative form, so many is used here. So this one is correct, this one is incorrect. Number 2, do you have many pens? This one is correct. Don't you have many pens? This one is also correct. Because in interrogative sentences, it may be affirmative form, it may be negative form. In interrogative sentences, many is used. So this one is correct. This one is also correct. Number 3, he drinks much water. This is incorrect sentence. He doesn't drink much water. This one is the correct sentence because much is not used in the affirmative form of declarative sentence. So this one is incorrect. Much is used in the negative form of declarative sentence. So this sentence is correct. Okay. Number 4. Does he drink much water? Doesn't he drink much water? Both the sentences are correct because much is used as we have seen on the table. So much is used in affirmative form, in the negative form of interrogative sentence. So both the sentences are correct. These two sentences are interrogative sentences. So much is correct here. Number 5, I have not lots of pens. This one is incorrect sentence. This one is correct sentence. I have lots of pen. This one is correct sentence. So why? Lots of or a lot of is not used in the declarative sentence negative form. It is only used in the declarative sentence affirmative form. So this sentence is correct. I have lots of pens or I have a lot of pens. Again I am telling I have not lots of pens. This is incorrect sentence. This one is the correct sentence. I have lots of pens because a lot of or lots of is not used in the declarative sentence negative form. It is only used in the declarative sentence affirmative form. So this one is correct sentence. I have a lot of pens or lots of pens. Number 6, he doesn't drink lots of water. This one is incorrect sentence. He drinks lots of water or a lot of water. This one is the correct sentence. So because this one is the declarative sentence negative form, a lot of or lots of is not used in declarative sentence negative form. It is used, a lot of or lots of is used only in the declarative sentence affirmative form. So this sentence is correct. Number 7, don't eat much food, don't buy many pens. Both the sentences are correct. They are imperative sentences and both the sentences are in negative form. Okay, don't eat much food. This one is correct because this is imperative sentence negative form. So much is used correctly here. Don't buy many pens. This is imperative sentence negative form. So many is also used there correctly. So both the sentences are correct. Okay. Friends, at last an exercise has been cited here for your self-assessment. 7 questions have been cited here on the board. Okay. Just you try. He does not have dash grammar books. Number 1, many or much or a lot of. Which one is correct? Just you put there. Number 2, she wears dash ornaments. Many or much or a lot of. Which one is correct? You have to put there. Number 3, why don't you drink dash water? Many or much or a lot of. Number 4, they haven't visited dash places this year. Many or much or a lot of. Which one is correct? Just you think. Number 5, he doesn't spend dash time unnecessarily. Many or much or a lot of. Which one is correct? Just you think. Number 6, I have been watching this video for dash time. Which one is correct? Many correct, much correct or a lot of correct. Number 7, have you been watching this video for dash time, many time, much time or a lot of time? So which one is correct? Just you think. You try to solve all these questions, all the 7 questions and drop the answers on the comment box. If you don't, see the description here. So friends, we are coming with so many educational videos for you. And just you like, share and subscribe to this channel. You can also follow us on Twitter. So thank you for watching. Bye.